the sun moving into Libra. So this is the equinox. This is a tipping point. This is, for some it will be the spring equinox. For some of us it will be the fall equinox, depending on the hemisphere. But this is equal parts day and night. But we get to a tipping point. So it's an interesting turning, interesting change point that happens now. And also, just to talk about the sun, this is conscious part of self, is now in that diplomatic sign. It's now this conscious part of self is in the wanting the scales to be balanced, wanting harmony to be happening. It's interesting. In order to take aligned action, you could feel into what brings harmony. What makes my whole system feel balanced? And this could be really good in this eclipse washing machine we're in. We're still in the eclipse energy. If you're kind of following your soul's breadcrumb trail, highest and best aligned life, you would feel into potentially on Monday, this conscious self feeling as though it's in harmony, it's in balance, and then feeling into what is the aligned action that would bring me peace. What is aligned action? What do I create in my life? What do I let go of in my life? It's to create peace. Peace in my life, peace in my life, peace in my life, peace in my life. It's going to be interesting because I can hear some will be listening to this going, but it was a new moon, Sabrina. Aren't we planting seeds? Like, why are you saying people leaving our lives? Because this eclipse hot zone trumps that. We are doing both simultaneously. Yes, planting new seeds. Yes, equinox tipping point. And also, still, there will be things that will be eclipsed out of our life. It's like there's this energy in eclipse seasons where it's like a vacuum. Like once there's space created, then there's a vacuum that can call in the next thing in that space that now matches your current frequency. That's a huge part of what eclipses are doing. So it will like take out a friend to call in a new friend who is now kind of matching the frequency you're at now versus maybe your 20 years ago friend. That's just a silly random example, but that happens across the board in all areas of our life in eclipse seasons. Okay, so that's Monday the 22nd. A lot of energy still. Equinox brings a lot of energy.